Beardsley style.
It's not in English, but this version is playing.
Show the footwork. Good job. Oh, Mama ruined the music.
I did. Sorry, my friend. Hold on.
It happens.
Okay, let's watch the television.
Whoa. What the heck is she wearing?
Gangnam Style. This is... Give it. Wait.
Okay, back to our action here.
Wow, what a crowd.
Oh, mama.
I tell you, careful of pup. Elaine from Seinfeld.
Wow, that's like a million people.
Beardsley style.
Wow, look at that. Look at... That's the audience. Look at how many people that is.
Daddy!
Great.
Daddy, go!
I am. Oh, he's in his native land.
Yeah.
Beardsley style.
Gangnam Style. Whoop. Jackson Mode?
Yeah, he's not closing the door anymore. He's good.
Sexy lady.
Remy style.
Hey. Whoop.
I can hardly wait for the next time we go to Auntie Trina's house. We can have a dance contest between you and Ryan. Look at that, Ryan, huh? You got fancy footwork like that, Ryan? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that fancy footwork, man.
Those ants in her pants.
No way. That's fancy footwork.
No, those are ants in the pants moves. I'd move like that too if I had ants in there.
You do move like that.
Gangnam Style.
Beardsley style. Oh, and there's Jax. There's your dance partner.
Daddy! I can't have this.
You have to dance with Jax.
No, leave him alone. It's going down. Come on, spin your head.
Dance with Jax. Dirty diaper style.
You did good. Yeah, you did.